Gaming week. Say it with me. Gaming week.
How did you do that? How did you actually do that? You're at the bottom. I just spat on my screen.
It's not risky at all.
Oh my god, you jumped to that?
Make
Make
that?
that?
It's an easy jump.
You are so annoying. I had like 35 iron. I don't even have full iron.
That wasn't out! Yes! Oh my god! Oh.
Wait.
Oh, what the hell? Why do you... Are you serious? I just ran for like a million hours.
I thought I placed it in there. I thought
The only way you could have got out was fire resistance.
I got it in the
And you actually had it. Are you serious?
I got it in the
And now I'm screwed. You're just gonna do it to me.
Alright.
Oh
Go,
no!
go,
I have
go,
no
go,
sprint.
go.
I have no sprint. Ah! Dream, I have no sprint. He's gonna kill me. I have no sprint. I have no sprint.
I'm going back to the
I'm dead,
smoker.
I'm
going
dead.
to the smoker.
I'm
You're
dead.
good. You're good. You're good.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Here,
I'm
take
dead.
this. Take this. Take
dead.
this. Is he after me?
Oh! Please! Please! Hop on! Hop on!
Okay. Oh, he's coming! He's
Chasing me down! He's chasing me!
George! Over here! George, across! Go across! Okay. Alright, we need like a we need to like.
I don't care.
Okay, no, don't go.
Oh, you... What?
I'm lighted and I just left so hard!
Far. What?
You're like, let's go! I don't care! And you just jump in and you die.
Is my stuff still there?
Call Lodratch and donated $1. I love you.
I didn't think it was that far.
Not
Not funny.
I'm gonna have to mute. I'm gonna have to mute.
It's not funny.
I can't.
No! No! The dragon in you again! No! What? What? The dragon was targeting me! The dragon was targeting me! Oh my god, you're down! Wait, can we push him off? Push him off the edge! He's gone!
Yeah!
Yes! Yes! Look at him! It's like the actual scene for Terminator!
Oh my god! Yes! He can't die though. He's gonna just get back up to us eventually.
Doing this blaze, come on. Oh.
Yeah! I just
What
owned
happened?
him! I just owned him!
Ah! What the hell?
Wait,
It
what?
just shocked me!
What?
What?
This way? Yeah. Okay, we came from across here.
Ah! Ah! Dream! Go! Go! Oh my god!
Go!
Are they still here? Oh my god!
We came from down here.
Oh, I'm like sweating.
This is how you have genuine fear in Minecraft.
It's like, this is like real.
We have to test and see if it's working. We haven't been shocked in long enough.
No, 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 no! No! Fuck you!
Okay, it's working. Alright, let's go.
Don't! Don't!
I'm not.
Don't!
I'm not.
Don't, actually, seriously, seriously.
I'm not.
I'm 100% serious.
not.
Well, stop looking at me. What are you doing?
I'm just looking at you.
Not in that gap. Dream! Run! What? Where'd that guy come from?
I don't know.
Ah, what the? Dream!
What did
Did
I
you do that?
I didn't do
You
anything.
did something.
I didn't do anything.
Let me.
Wait.
The pick's broken!
Okay, give me some blocks.
What?
Just give me a block. Give me a stupid block.
George!
I'm literally. Ah, there's a creeper! Oh my god.
George!
I know what,
Just
screw you, I just
say-
found a sword. No! Team! Oh my god, there's
Come on,
the creeper!
George. Just
No!
say-
It has exploded!
Just say it.
Just stop, I'm eating this. No! Tree!
That skeleton gonna make George have a
Team help! Team! Ah! No! 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 No!
No! I'm literally running. I'm running. It's behind you. No! Dream, I'm in the water. You can't help me. Dream. Oh my god. I'm looking at I missed my jump and then I was just freaking out. There's so many.
Wait.
Dream!
No, do not.
Oh
not.
my god. Oh
Do not, George, you idiot!
Alright, stop. Everyone stop.
I thought that we were in the stronghold.
Get out of my face.
Move! What the? Oh god! Oh my god!
What? Oh god. Just run. Can they catch us? They're catching me! Dream! Dream! Run! It got me twice! Dream! Run! Oh my god! Under the tree! Can they get me? Can they get me under the tree? Under the tree! Can they get me under here? Under the tree! Ah, baby's on me! Dream! Oh my god! George, look out! There's baby zombies! George, no! Ah! Dream! No! I got you! Run! No! Dream is out after me! They're after me! No, they're not. No! Ow! Ah! Dream! Seriously! Ow! No! Ah! Dream! I actually can't. You know what? I actually don't need you. You can get your. No! Oh my god! No! Come on, George. You just ate a god apple. No! Yes! Yes! No! Oh my god. Where have you been? No! Yes! Let's flipping go! Alright, let's go! Alright, let's chill for a second. Oh my god! I'm on one heart! George! It almost knocked me in the lava.
No, I'm gonna kill this.
No! George,
Dream, it's after me. I'm so scared.
Oh my god!
Look at this.
Oh no! Ah, Dream, get it! Ah! Dream! No! Ow! No! I made the sword! Did I make it at least? Where is it?
Are you near? You're not. Where are you?
Oh, you made a shield! No! Oh my heart! How are you catching me? No, the skeleton! No! Yes! Get in the lava, please! Oh! No! This is so close! How much health did you have? No!
Or her. Or it. Wait, what? Wait, what are you doing?
I'll craft a new one.
Oh, you're so annoying.
I'm annoying.
Okay. Yeah.
Imagine you just
No,
missed.
I hit the ceiling. Oh, I found it. It's over here.
Oh, you did!
I found it for the first time. Let's go.
Advantage.
No, I'm gonna die.
I think so. Yeah! Oh no! What the hell? What?
Oh my god.
The noob! The noob! He doesn't know what it's like.
Look at him.
Look at him go. Look at him go. The noob. The little noob. What a noob!
What a loser.
He's in the below thing. Didn't you hear him?
George,
I'm
you're
just
such an idiot.
lost.
Where? To the real world.
Stop.
Stop. Stop, George. Get into the real world. I see your Optifine torch.
No! What the hell?
What do you mean?
Like, what are you doing? Up there.
What?
Oh my god, you fell.
Well, I was gonna ambush you.
How did you even get up there without showing anything? Did you like dig up and break the blocks as you went?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So bad. This is George. George. I'm killing myself right now.
Throw it in the lake behind you.
Okay.
Let's go.
Can you give me? Oh wait, wait, what? I thought it was cool. I thought it was cool.
Hey guys, it's the second channel. We cheat on this channel. Come on, let's go.
Oh, do we actually cheat?
How did you die? Village! Wait, what? What happened? What happened to my screen?
Yeah, throw it to me.
No! Please! No!
I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead. I'm actually
You're
dead.
alive? No! Where